Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer.
It's not just a delicious drink at Cisco Brewers. This is the blue-haired lady. This open concept floor plan has one living room perfect for entertaining guests and a second living room perfect for kids or watching movies. Apart from the beautiful furnishings, my favorite part about this property is the location. With the proximity to town, 167 Raw, Bartlett's Farm, and of course, Cisco Brewers. I'm Jonathan Russell with Columbus & Over Group. Reach out to me for more information.